In this video, I will share with you how to add a contact form in HostSinger website builder that sends to your email address. This is the contact form that we'll see how to create in this video. After that, we'll see how to add it to your HostSinger website builder website. And after that, you will test it. And this is the email message that you will receive. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, visit this website. It's called elfsite.com. Then hover over widgets and look for forms and click on contact form. Now click on this create widget for free. Select your template from here. For this video, I will go with this simple form template. These are all widgets you can select, but I think for the free plan, you can only get the basic template, I think. Now scroll down to continue with this template. Now customize your contact form field. For example, instead of separating the first name and last name, I will delete the second one. And this first field, I will call it full name. And for this placeholder, I will give it this name. Field is required. You can show the label or not. Now go back to the form builder. The email should be required. Yes. The phone number is not, I will delete it. And I think, I'm not sure if I will delete this attachment field or not. I will keep it. Now you can also edit the header, this title, the caption, the footer, show footer. This is your footer. I will not use, or I will not show the footer. You can also customize the success message or the message that your website visitor sees after sending you, or after sending you, or after submitting his message. Now click on add to website for free. Your widget has been created. Sign up to embed the widget. I will sign up with my email, or I will go with my Google account. Click on this publish button and select the free plan. You can go with the basic one, for example. For this video, I will go with just the basic plan. This is the code that you need to copy and paste on your website. Now log into your HostSinger account. Go to websites. And next to your website built using HostSinger website builder, click on this edit website button. Now I will create a new page. To create a page, go to pages and navigation, click on add page, then select this contact page to get to use these contact templates. Let's use this one. Now I will delete the default HostSinger contact form and I will add my new one here. I will not go with contact form. I will drag and drop this embed code element, just like that. Now click on enter code, delete this line and paste your code just like that. Click on embed code, and in just a second you will see your contact form here. Now update your website to publish this page, and let's view my website live. This is the newly created contact page. Now this is the contact form: full name, email, message, and the optional attachment. Now I will test it using my name. My email is, for example, bentest@gmail.com. This is not a working email. This is my test message. Click on, or let's attach this photo, for example, and hit submit. Your message was successfully sent. We will reply to you shortly. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page, academy.dotcom.builders, and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Your message was successfully sent. We will reply to you shortly. Click on OK. And almost instantly, I received this message from Elf site. And this is the message that I've sent to myself. This is the full name, the email address, and the message, and also the attachment. Let's see the attachment. And this is how to add a contact form that sends to your email in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.